Lord, you made a promise, and I'm still holding on. Na-eme Iyi, the God who keeps covenant. Yeah. I've been waiting for an answer, calling out your name, holding on to every word, but nothing seems to change. My heart is asking, when did you forget about me? But deep inside I feel it, you are still working. You are not a God who lies, you don't forget your own. Every promise you have spoken will surely come to pass. You are the covenant-keeping God. Na-eme Iyi, what you promise you will do. I believe, even when I cannot see, you are working silently. Na-eme Iyi, I will trust you again. Hey, There were nights I cried in silence, wondering where you are, trying hard to stay in faith, but fighting in my heart. Na-eme Iyi, I hold on to your word, even when it feels so long. If you said it, I receive it. You will not fail me. Heaven and earth may pass away, but your word remains. You are still the same forever. You will never change. You are the covenant-keeping God. Na-eme Iyi, every promise stands in you. I believe. Oh, through the waiting and the pain, your word will still remain. Na-eme Iyi, hey, I will trust you again. You remember me, even when I feel forgotten. You remember me. You will do what you have spoken. I will trust you till the end. Na-eme Iyi, Na-eme Iyi, you never break your word. You never fail your own. Na-eme Iyi. Oh, you are the covenant-keeping God. Na-eme Iyi, every promise over my life is already done. Now my heart will rest in you. No more fear, no more doubt. Na-eme Iyi, forever I will trust. Na-eme Iyi, I will wait on you. You never fail, you never forget.